This is the first in a series of short videos demonstrating the capabilities of Arcserve UDP with Wasabi. This demo is all about performing a copy recovery point to the Wasabi cloud. The first thing we do, we create our connection, our credentials that we need to connect to Wasabi. Now, one thing you'll need to do if you want to use the Australian region of Wasabi is grab the service URL from this website and paste that in over the cloud endpoint field. Then provide your access key and of course your secret key that you'll get from your Wasabi account. Select a bucket name. Now, interestingly, this bucket name won't actually be used, but UDP will create a variation of that bucket name when you start using it. Now, I have a backup plan here. I'm just backing up one server. I'm doing daily, weekly, and monthly incremental backups, and I can now add a task and select copy recovery points. And then given the option of selecting which schedule I want to copy the recovery point from, and for a demo purpose I'm just going to select all of my available options. In my copy settings, I'm going to select my destination is cloud storage, and now I've already configured my cloud service, so I can choose Wasabi and I can choose my account that I've pre-configured. I have an option to enable object lock. And when I do this, I have a choice of governance or compliance. I choose my retention period. I'm just going to use 3 days for my demo purposes. I can choose if I want to use compression, no compression, standard or maximum. And I can choose if I want to encrypt my data as it's copied to the cloud. I can also specify a schedule that I want copies to occur. It may be desirable to schedule my copies to occur after business hours, especially if I'm using the internet to copy the data. Now, rather than wait till 10 PM for my daily backup to occur, I'm just going to change the schedule so it will kick in just a couple of minutes. I've made the change to the plan, and the changes are being pushed to the agent that is backing up this particular server. So the backup takes literally seconds to do an incremental backup with UDP in this case, and you can see the copy recovery point task begins. Now, the time it takes to copy the recovery point to the cloud will depend entirely on the size of the recovery point and the bandwidth that's available. But if we take a quick look at the Wasabi console, we can browse the bucket and we can see all the data associated with that particular recovery point. So once the recovery point is in the cloud, it may be useful to download the recovery point from the cloud, and it's built into the UDP console. Simply select download from the cloud, and you're then presented with your cloud storage and the recovery points that are available. Simply select one and type in a destination where you wish the recovery to be sent to, and click finish, and the entire recovery point will be copied down from the cloud bucket to the destination you specified. That concludes the short demonstration. If you want more information about either Arcserve, UDP or Wasabi, hot cloud storage, drop us a line, send us an email to sales@cloudreadysolutions.com.au. Thank you.